Today I want to do sort of a different type of video. I want to tell you guys a story. It's about a science experiment that I did recently. Spoiler alert, it didn't quite go the way that I expected. Girls who build shit! Ah! So my best friend MayLi is an architect, total badass. One day we were talking and she told me about this really cool principle. Pretend this is a piece of wood. If you have the wide side facing up, it's a lot easier to bend than if you have the short side facing up. A lot harder to bend and a lot stronger. When you bend something, you're stretching it at a molecular level. The skinnier it is, the less molecules you have to stretch. The thicker it is, the more molecules you have to stretch and the more bendy it can be. In theory, this means that the same piece of wood would be a lot stronger vertically than it would be horizontally. And I was like, dude, that's so cool. We should do a video on that. But YouTube videos have to be fun. How can we make it fun? So we came up with this plan. We're gonna build a structure over her pool, and it was gonna support two pieces of wood on either side. One piece was gonna be vertical, the other piece was gonna be horizontal, and there was kind of a bucket of weight in the middle. This is where it starts to get interesting. We decided that we were then going to dangle ourselves from each piece of wood and kind of add weight to the middle bucket until one of us fell into the pool.
Oh, don't do it.
We're like, oh my gosh, this is the best idea ever. MayLi builds this amazing like 3D digital model. We go to Home Depot, we pick out all the pieces of wood, we hand screwed everything together, even the stuff over the pool. Mind you, the pool was freezing. And you know, we get to the end, MayLi goes to me, she goes, hey, do you think we should calculate load? I was like, no, there's no way. There's no way the two of us are gonna break these pieces of wood right away. I've been laying off the hot Cheetos. We're good. So then we invite my cousin Natalie over. Shout out to Natalie, legend. She's actually studying to be an engineer right now, so it was perfect. She came over, we get everything set up. This is what it looked like. So first time I get onto the swing and the rope just sort of let all the slack go out of it, and so I dunked right down into the pool. Did I mention that the water was freezing? Second time we looped the rope over the piece of wood so that it was kind of steady. I climb on and this is what happened.
No, you're good, you're good, you're good.
It's holding quick! Yes. The wood broke immediately. As soon as I got on it, MayLi didn't even have a chance to get on. We didn't put any weight into the middle bucket. It just broke. And I was kind of screwed. I feel like we still sort of proved our point because the horizontal piece of wood that I was sitting on broke right away. But then we had MayLi still get on the other swing on the vertical piece of wood.
MayLi, get on yours. Fuck no.
I like tried to pull her down with me and it stayed strong, so. Moral of the story is we probably should have calculated load. And also, moral of the story is like science experiments don't always work. I feel like you see on TV these science presenters, they'll lay out an experiment, they'll be like, here we go, I bet this is gonna happen. And then they do it and it happens and it's magical and everybody's like, yay! But that's not the way that science works in the real world. That's not the way that experiments work. That's not the way research works. Like, it goes wrong more often than it goes right. That's why it's called an experiment. You don't know what's going to happen. So, yeah, I just wanted to be real with you guys for a second and let you know that I don't always get it right on the first try. Definitely did not get it right in this situation. I had a lot of fun doing it, and I think the real moral of the story is...
Remember, children, stay in school. It's important to stay in school and to clean up your science project.